Today we're going to be making lemon melt-away cookies. Hi, I'm Kristen of White Arrows Home, and I'm so happy to have you join me today in my kitchen in the Northwoods of Wisconsin. Today we're going to be making lemon melt-away cookies. These are one of my favorites.
Let's get baking. Start by zesting 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. Juice the lemons until you have 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Set it aside.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say.
Now for the dry ingredients. Begin by mixing 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt into a bowl. Set it aside.
So slow, hold you in my arms.
Now with a mixer, cream 14 tablespoons of softened butter.
Around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden.
To the butter, add the 1½ cups of powdered sugar.
Shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August,
Mix until combined.
and I've come out here to say that I love you.
Next, add the lemon juice and lemon zest and mix. Now slowly add the dry ingredients until combined. Once the dough is formed, refrigerate it for 1 hour.
And I've come out here to say,
Now preheat the oven to 350 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Using a cookie scoop, place the dough on the cookie sheet. Then, using a cup and a small piece of parchment paper, gently flatten the cookie dough balls.
and I've come out here to say that I love you. Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful day.
Bake the cookies for 12 to 14 minutes or until the cookies are slightly golden on the edges. Allow the cookies to cool fully before glazing. To make the glaze, mix 1 cup powdered sugar
Give it all up now, just to be
with 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can add more or less powdered sugar and/or lemon juice to achieve your desired consistency.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you.
Now using a spoon, drizzle the glaze on each cookie.
So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.
And then you're done. Enjoy as these cookies melt in your mouth.
And I've come out here to say,
Thanks so much for joining me way up north in Wisconsin in my cabin kitchen. I loved making these lemon melt-away cookies, and I know that you are going to love them too. You can find all the details about it in the description and on my blog, www.whitearrowshome.com. You can also follow me on all the socials at White Arrows Home. And remember to follow your arrow.